In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. This process can be a lifesaver when some of your transactions are not automatically imported from your banking institution, or if you need to record any cash transactions precisely. First things first, if you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to sign up. For those who are already registered, simply click on the Sign In button for QuickBooks Online to proceed. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, click Continue to proceed with the sign-in procedure. When prompted, enter your password and click Continue again to further access your files. The next step is to select the company file you want to work with so you can start managing your finances right away. With your company profile open, let's move into the core of the task. In your QuickBooks account, navigate to the plus Create button, which you can usually find at the top left corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to adding various types of transactions. From the drop-down menu, pick either bank deposit or expense depending on the transaction you want to add. This selection is essential to categorize your financial records correctly. Now it's time to manually enter the transaction details. Make sure to input the date, the payee's name, and the category, which refers to the specific account tied to this transaction. You'll also need to indicate the payment method and the amount in question. If you're recording a deposit, select Bank Deposit. Alternatively, if you're handling a payment or withdrawal, opt for Expense or Check. Don't forget the option to attach supporting documents. While not mandatory, uploading receipts, invoices, or any related evidence is a best practice. This not only aids in maintaining complete records, but also comes in handy during audits or when verifying transactions later. Finally, it's crucial to review everything meticulously. Double-check all details to ensure there are no mistakes. Once you're confident everything's accurate, click Save and Close to finalize the entry. If you have more transactions to add, the Save and New option is your friend as it allows you to immediately start a new entry. That wraps up our guide to manually adding bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure precise records keeping, which is the foundation of informed financial management and decision making. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now more confident in managing your financial entries manually in QuickBooks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.